Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bitmoji app. If we click on settings, here on this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Bitmoji app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.